What is up? So I'm headed over to my buddy Jason's house right now. We're gonna do a mod that I really want to do on my truck one of these days, but I feel like it's something that looks really dumb if you don't have, not really dumb, it just doesn't look right if you don't have 33-inch tires, which I do not. But he just got 33-inch tires, so we're gonna do a bumper cut today. I just love the way it makes the front end of the Tacomas look. It makes it look super aggressive and just, it's amazing. So in today's video, bumper cut. Here we go. Should also say we're still kind of in the middle of all this COVID stuff. So both Jason and I are wearing masks so we don't, you know, because you can go asymptomatic for so long with this stuff. I don't think either one of us have it, but we are taking precautions and doing what we need to do, and we're both gonna wear masks this whole time. So just wanted to put that out there as well. So Jason, like I was saying, got 33-inch tires, and now I have to, because he's got the same lift as me, and there's actually, it seems like a good amount of clearance on either side. He said he rubs a little bit right here, so cut that a little bit, and then he had to bend this portion in. He barely rubs where you need the CMC, but he still rubs back there, so he's gonna get that done. But oh, it just looks so good. Oh man. So anyways, we've taped it up so far. We're gonna go on the top edge of this and just follow that all the way down. We're gonna attempt to do a curve, but if that doesn't work, then we'll just do a sharp angle. So see how it goes. So there's stock bumper, and then with the bumper cut. It looks ridiculously good. All right, so we finished the bumper cut. It was a really, really easy thing to do, if I'm honest. It wasn't as much of a how-to as I kind of intended, but hopefully you can kind of follow along with what I showed and be able to do it from what was recorded. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer those for you. I'm really considering doing it with my truck, so I might end up doing that, and if I do, I'll do a more detailed how to do a bumper cut type of video. But it looks really good. I like the way it turned out, and might be doing it to mine. We'll see. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.